In the rural heartlands of Kenya's Nakuru County, climate change isn't a distant threat. It is a present reality. This is why this site was chosen by researchers of Moi University and G-EAU to conduct the Urban FOSC project, a comprehensive study on urban food system resilience under climate change. Nakuru County lies in the Great Rift Valley in Eastern Africa. The central hub of this region is the town of Nakuru. The backbone of its economy is a robust agricultural sector. The area, fertile soils and a favorable climate have enabled the development of a diversified set of agricultural production. They include maize, potatoes, beans, tomatoes, and livestock farming. It also allowed for the development of highly competitive commercial farms, mainly focused on exporting flowers and other specialized horticultural crops. Yet, climate change is posing a growing threat to these food production systems and the livelihood that depend on them. We delve into how local farming households perceive and cope with these unfolding changes, and how they plan to adapt their livelihood in response to the changes yet to come. To achieve this, the literature suggested three commonly used methods. The direct evidence approach, which involves monitoring changes as they happen in real time. The Ricardian approach, which examines the relationship between land values and climatic variables across various climatic regions. The structural Ricardian approach that merges elements of both previous methods. These approaches have been extensively used, but also suffer from weaknesses. In particular, they make up for the absence of long-term data by using climate variability across different zones, which involve conducting surveys over extended areas. These methods can also lead to biased results due to the imperfections in the land markets. Finally, some factors difficult to observe or measure and that are related to climate and at the same time impact land prices may also bias the results. To address these challenges associated with these methods, we adopted a contingent behavior approach. This method is part of the broader stated preference approach family. Using surveys, it proposes hypothetical climatic conditions to farmers and asks them how they would adjust to these changes. By comparing the livelihood choices made under the current and hypothetical climate conditions, we can directly analyze the adaptations they are likely to make. However, this method hinges on proposing farmers with realistic climatic scenarios and potential adaptation strategies. Therefore, we follow a 5-step process. Step 1 focuses on understanding. Organizing focus group meetings, we capture the significant changes that farmers anticipate and the adaptation strategies they are considering. This sets the groundwork for the next steps. In step 2, we craft the contingent behavior scenarios. These include one hypothetical but specific change, for example, an increase in the frequency of drought events, and outline the possible responses. Step 3 involve large survey with farmers. Step 4 involve analyzing the results using logit and Poisson models, where we will identify the possible determinants of the adaptations farmers will adopt under different changes. And finally, in step 5, we discuss our findings with the farmers. We will develop these different aspects in the next videos.